Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the class at TS and EAP LASET 2021. Yes, and today is the 15th lecture, if I'm not mistaken. And it's just from the participants, you can read what I posted on the screen so that I could know that you are hearing me and I am hearing you. And especially Sheikh Zahir Basha, could you unmute and read what I posted on the screen? Yes, quick.
Wise men can talk because they have something to say, where fools talk because they have to say something.
Yes, it is a wise man can talk because they have something to say, whereas fools talk because they have to say something. So that was an idea. But again, I will share you this one. I don't know how many people would know about this one. Is it visible to you? Say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes. Can you tell me that what do you call that one?
don't know.
Yeah, it is tied to a tree, and another is also a tree, of course, with the help of the plastic ropes, and it is nothing but yeah, in Telugu we'll say uyala. But this uyala is not sitting uyala, but sleeping uyala. This is, yeah? So you don't know how to say this thing in English. Okay, this is an assignment to you, and the other peoples, I'm sure that they are joining. Yes, now I will ask Kulikunda Sharad Babu to deal certain 15. Later on, I will deal the mental ability. When the mental ability would be there, please be ready with the pencil and pen so that we could do it well. Yes, this is the mental ability. Then we do have many things to do under mental ability. Yes, this is the for the Sharad Babu. Now you can continue on.
Yes, good evening to Dr. Professor Muhammad Sahab Hussain sir, my mentor and the host, and to other participants. Today I can't see Srivijaya, why I don't know, but anyhow I am going to start with a fresh set of general knowledge and current affairs questions. The first question is cockpit of Europe. So a country is called cockpit of Europe. Among these four, Italy, Spain, Switzerland, Belgium. Italy, Spain, Switzerland, Belgium. Which country is called cockpit of Europe?
Even though it is wrong,
The,
doesn't matter. But try to make the answer. Unmute and give the answer.
Belgium.
yes, the answer is right. Belgium is known as the cockpit of Europe not because it has the headquarters of European Union, but because of the fact that it has been the battleground for Great Britain, Germany, France, and Netherlands, without these countries having any interest in Belgium. So it is the correct option. So cockpit means in aeroplane you can see this cockpit where the crew is there. The main crew will be there in cockpit. They will be operating the things. That's why the cockpit term is term's meaning is that. And now let's move to question number two. What is the largest Hindu temple complex and largest religious monument? And it's a very important question. Sometimes it may be asked. Angkor Wat, Swaminarayan Akshardham, Sri Ranganath Swami Temple, Chhatarpur Temple. What is the largest Hindu temple complex and largest religious monument? All these are Hindu temples. Angkor Wat, Swaminarayan Akshardham, Sri Ranganath Swami Temple, Chhatarpur Temple. All these are temples, but what is the largest temple complex, Hindu temple complex? Yes, you try to answer. Whatever the answer is, you say it loudly.
Option 1, sir.
Yes, I appreciate the answer. The option 1 is the correct answer. Angkor Wat. It is in Cambodia, one of the countries in Asia, which is a neighbor to China and Vietnam. Angkor Wat is a temple complex at Angkor, Cambodia. It is the largest religious monument in the world, which was built by Khmer King Suryavarman II in the early 12th century as his state temple and capital city. So, strangely, the largest Hindu temple is not in India, it is in Cambodia. Third question: which country is often called the roof of the world? The roof of the world. You know, roof, meaning of roof. Bhutan, Nepal, Tibet, Afghanistan. Bhutan, Nepal, Tibet, Afghanistan. Which country is called roof of the world? Yes, answer.
Umesh Krishna, unmute and give the answer.
One or the other answer. There are 4 options. When you find
Yeah,
4 options, it is easy to very easy to answer one of them. Well, that may be right or not. Is it not the easiest way to answer when the answers are given? Just you have to select your own option. That's all. For essay questions, you have to bother, but for multiple choice questions, you need not bother. You can give one answer at least, whether that
Say,
is right or not.
say pass on.
Yeah. Yes. Option 3 is the correct one. Tibet is called the roof of the world. Central Asia's Tibetan Plateau is justifiably nicknamed the roof of the world. Its average elevation is more than 4,500 meters or 4,764 feet. Now, the fourth question is Karnataka's new chief minister is
Option 2.
Bommai, or is it S.R. Bommai, or is it H. Kumaraswamy? What's the correct option?
He has given the answers.
Option 2.
Yes, your answer is right. Your choice is right. Option 2 is the correct answer. Basavaraj Bommai is the new incumbent chief minister of Karnataka. He is the new incumbent because B.S. Yediyurappa has resigned, and in his place, Basavaraj Bommai has been appointed by the High Command of BJP. And incidentally, Basavaraj Bommai is none other than the son of former CM of the same state, Karnataka, S.R. Bommai. Is S.R. Bommai's son. And question number 5. West Bengal CM is
Mamata
Mam-
Banerjee.
yes. Before giving the options, you have answered. There's the correct answer. Option 1 is Miss Mamata Banerjee. Which 2 states, sixth question, which 2 states of India indulged in dangerous conflagration over border dispute? Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya, Assam and Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, Assam and Tripura. Generally, different countries fight for the borders. For example, recently China and India have been involved in a border battle that is at LOC, line of control. So here, strangely, 2 states of our own country have indulged in a conflagration, in a dispute, in a small escalation of fight over border dispute. What are those 2 states in our own country? Is it Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya? Is it Assam and Mizoram? Or is it Nagaland and Tripura? Or is it Assam and Tripura? It's option 2, Assam and Mizoram. Assam and Mizoram, they have indulged in dangerous conflagration over border dispute recently, and both states have largely complied with the center. And let us see how center will solve the problem between these states. Seventh question is Assam Chief Minister is Anand Goswami, Tarun Gogai, Hemant Biswa Sharma, Sarbanand Sonowal.
Option 3.
That's the right answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Hemant Biswa Sharma. H.B. Sharma is the Assam Chief Minister and previously floor crossed from Congress and consequently, after getting elected as MLA, he was appointed as Assam Chief Minister. And the eighth question, Mizoram Chief Minister is Joram Thanga, Laltanwala, T. Silo, Laldenga. Mizoram's Chief Minister is Joram Thanga, Laltanwala, T. Silo, Laldenga. Yes, option one is the correct answer. It is Joram Thanga. The Mizoram's Chief Minister is Joram Thanga, and Assam's Chief Minister is Hemant Biswa Sharma. Ninth question. Founder of Aligarh Muslim University. Is it Zakir Hussain? Is it Syed Ahmad Khan? Is it Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad? Or is it Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad? Who was the founder of Aligarh Muslim University? AMU.
We discussed earlier classes this Aligarh Muslim University when we were studying the Banaras Hindu University.
Yes. Option 2 is the correct answer. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was the founder of Aligarh Muslim University, like Madan Mohan Malviya, who founded Banaras Hindu University. 10th question. Bull in stock market shows. Bull in stock market shows fall of share value, rise of share value, close of market, opening of market. If you happen to visit or if you happen to see the business column, then you can see bull and bear. Option 2 is the correct answer. Rise of share value. So one who is interested in stock market can easily answer. Of course, the candidate who answered knows very well about the stock market, I suppose. So a bull market is a situation of securities groups financial market in which prices rise or are expected to rise. The term bull market is most commonly used to refer to the stock market, but it can be used with anything tradable such as real estate, bonds, currencies, and commodities. Recently, I visited ESR, then I went to New York, saw the stock exchange, the New York Stock Exchange. Before it, there are two statues, if I can say, of two busts of bull and bear.
Beer.
Yes. 11th one is bear in market, fall of share value, rise of share value, close of market, opening of market. What is the correct
Option
answer?
1.
Yes. Obviously, when bull is rise of share value, the bear must be fall of share value. 12th question. Which one of the following is Indian Cricket Council? BCCI or ICC or CCI or IOC?
Number 1,
BCCI.
BCCI.
Yes, option 1 is the correct answer. BCCI, if you expand like this, Board of Cricket Control in India, Board of Cricket Control in India is the Indian Cricket's controlling council, that is BCCI. ICC is International Cricket Council, and the other two are given vaguely. And 13th question is, Who was the Indian captain for the World Cup in 1983?
It's 4.
Yes, the option before reading the options, you have answered option 4 is the correct one. Kapil Dev is the Indian captain for the World Cup in 1983. He led the team towards great heights. Sunil Gavaskar, Gundappa Vishnu, and the Mahendra Raman, all these were included in the squad, but the captain is Kapil Dev. 14th question. India won its first World Cup in the year.
1983. It's 2.
Yes,
Two.
yes, that's the correct answer. It was for the first time that India won its World Cup in cricket 1983. Till then, the West Indies and Australia used to rule the cricket world, but India defeated both in league match and in final West Indies. It beat West Indies to reach the World Cup, to attain the World Cup in 1983. 15th question. Which Indian cricketer of the 1983 World Cup squad passed away recently after his usual morning walk? Yashpal Sharma,
East
Chetan
Point 1.
Chauhan.
1.
Oh, you are very brilliant. Yeah, I think you are interested in sports and cricket. Yashpal Sharma is the correct answer. He is aged 66 and after his morning walk, surprisingly, he got cardiac arrest and he died. Former Indian cricketer Yashpal Sharma, a member of Kapil Dev-led World Cup winning team in 1983, has passed away after suffering a cardiac arrest on Tuesday. He was 66 years old. Sharma suffered a heart attack after returning from morning walk and collapsed at around 7:30 on 13th July 2021.
Yes, your
15
15
question.
questions are over. Then I will come to your turn.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is
Welcome,
mental
yes.
ability, and
Yes,
be
sir.
ready with the pen and paper because it is not like you could solve it only by looking at it. Because this mental ability, which needs a sharp brain, and there is a reasoning and the interpretation of the topics, and there is no prescribed syllabus for this area. But most of the terms, it is given the bullets like analogy, blood relations, classifications, coding and decoding, data interpretations, table charts, graphs, logical reasoning, and logical sequence of the words, plus sequences, verbal reasoning. These are the things which will be there generally in the mental ability. But according to the syllabus is concerned, it is given alphabetical test, analogies, analytical reasoning, blood relationship, classification. Of course, some of them are read earlier also. And syllogism also, their symbols and notations and verbal series. From this, they may ask any type of the question, and it is you now have to decide it. Be ready with the pen and pencil so that you could know that how to solve it, because it is not so easy to make it out just by reading it. So that is what I want to say to you. So it needs a sharp brain is there. Of course, certain cases like this also ask because these are the non-verbal communication. So here below the logo denote the following bank. That is number 1, Indian Overseas Bank, number 2, Dena Bank, number 3, Indian Bank, number 4, Union Bank of India. I think that it could be seen to you that what I shown on the screen. Is it or not?
Is it with
Yes.
visible?
Then you give me the answer for that. What is the logo which I have shown on the screen? It refers
It's
to
2.
the which? Yes.
It's 2 Dena Bank.
Sorry. Second option. You have to give the answer, mute and give the answer, not just a participant, mute participant. It will not, it is Indian Overseas Bank. Because I could see that here 7 members are there, but they are just silent without uttering the word. But that is merely useless. Just you are participating without you are using the word. Here I am shown the Dena Bank. Dena Bank is having the left Lakshmi, and there is a D type symbol is there, and the letter is there. There is the Dena Bank logo. And later on, if you could see it, There is the arrows, 3 arrows are there running. Could you able to see it? Can I expand it?
Sir. We can, sir.
You can. Very good. So that is the symbol of the, which bank this is? Anyone? That is the symbol of the Indian Bank. Then Union Bank is there. Yes, Union Bank of India is there, the symbol and the logo which I have shown over there, like U. One is inverted U, one is a direct U, like that, which is color in the red and blue, which is the Union Bank of India. Because it's a non-verbal communication, yes.
Andhra Bank merged with the Union Bank, and both now are called Union Bank with the name of Union Bank one.
Yes, yes. That is the thing which I want to say is, yeah. Let us come to the point of this second. Find the missing number. So now you have to calculate it and see it and you check it. What is the analogy they had followed here and what is the point they made it here, because the numbers are 7, 10, 9, 12, 11. So there should be some equation would be there, because with that equation only it can be written over there. In the beginning I thought the first letter 7, which you add with the 2, then it become 9s, then the third letter add 2, then it becomes the next letter after 12,
14
11.
and 13, sir.
Yes? Yes?
Option 3.
Option
sir.
3 is the right answer. 14 and 13 is the right answer. See the analogy here, how it can explanation. First you take the first digit, first letter, 7 plus 3, total 10. Then minus 1 you can make it out. Then becomes 9. So 9 plus 3, every 3 will be added over there. Then the second digit will come later on. In that same manner, then minus 1, 11 comes. 11 plus 3, 14. Then you can minus 1, then 13 will come. So the answer is 14 and 13. That is the way that you have to calculate it. See, it is not sharply. There is some mechanism is there. Some system would be there. Either deduction or taking the consecutive numbers or taking the leaving the one number to another number, means odd numbers. Not even numbers. Not even means second number, fourth number. No, that is the even number. Odd numbers means 3, 4, 3, 5, 7, 9. So like that we can jump it and see what is the method they adapted it. That will be the idea. Merely looking it, it cannot be solved over there, but it needs a bit sharp brain would be there. There is a IQ is very good, then they can make it out. Of course, it comes with the practice only. Merely reading, you cannot do it. Merely watching that YouTube also, you cannot do it. Please, like a swimming given you, that is swimming, if you read 100 pages and you see in the YouTube, you read at least 1200 books also, you cannot learn the swimming unless until, yes?
You yourself swim.
You yourself jump into the water, you will be in the water, then only that you can try for that one. Okay, find the odd man out. What is a different thing which you will find over here? Odd man out. Number 1, oxygen. Number 2, yes, let me read it. Yes. Number 2, hydrogen. Number 3, mercury. Number 4, nitrogen. Why? Give the answer. Why?
3 are air, sir.
Not air, gases.
Air. Yes, sir.
Don't
gases.
say air.
Yes, sir.
They are
It's gases.
gases. Air is don't say air, the gas state. Oxygen is a gas state. Hydrogen is a gas state. Nitrogen is a gas state. Mercury is the liquid state. But if it will not be there, then we will be operated, because mercury will be.
There is also one difference. The 3 are gases. The 3 are non-metals, and mercury is a metal also.
Yes, yes. That is the another point. But this metal, you cannot keep it in the temperature, because
Yes.
either you have to keep in the
It is the liquid
kerosene.
metal. It is the
Yeah.
liquid metal.
You have to keep in the kerosene or you have to keep in some other thing, then only it will be there. Okay, let us come to the next. Here, the fourth question, which I want to highlight it, yes, because it needs, by the time kids are 3 to 5 years old, their physical skills like the running, jumping, kicking, and dash have come to a long way. Now they will continue to refine these. Fill the more appropriate word from the below, observing the earlier words forms. running, jumping, kicking, and yes,
It's true.
Throwing, sir.
throwing, because all are ing forms. And
Throwing.
propelled is not the ing form, that is the past tense. Hurled is not ing form, that is the past tense. Shot put, that is the iron ball would be thrown over there, that is the one of the game, and the international Olympics also, in general also. So the right answer is throwing. The same explanation which I have given over here, and more appropriate when they compare with the 1, 2, 3, 4, entirely different. That is the different terminology, and the right one is throwing the right answer for that regard. Yes. Fifth one. The sum of the ages of Ram and Lakshman is 42. Write down. Sum of the ages of the Ram and Lakshman is 42. Means Ram plus Lakshman is 42. If Ram is twice as old as Lakshman, Ram is twice means he's 2 times older than the Lakshman. The age of Lakshman is 10. 10 years time will be. At the age of 10, the Ram is twice to the Lakshman. So now you tell me that what will be the age of Ram? Is it 20 years? 24
20.
years? Yes?
20 years, sir.
Wrong. Next.
Wrong.
Wrong. Next. It is 24 years at the time. See, let us see what is the logic here. So, first sequence meaning A plus B is equal to 5. A plus B 12. How? The sum of age of Ram and Lakshman is 42. Okay. A plus B is equal to 42. Right. That means B should be 14. Are you following me? How could we get it A plus B is 42? Yes, because the analogy is there, half of the. So 24 plus 14 is 42, because here they made it the second sentence, meaning it means A is 23 years and B age is 14 years. Then after the 10 years later, after the age of the B is 24 years becomes, because at the time is a 14, after 10 years, 10 plus 14, then become 24 years. So this is the way that you have to make it out, like a simple mathematics that you have to do it, and the right answer is 24 years.
They can also solve
Yes.
this problem imagining Lakshman's age is X. Imagine
Yes,
Lakshman's age as X.
you can do like also, you can do like this also, yes?
X square is equal to 42.
Yes.
So then you will get X plus X square is equal to 42.
Yeah.
So like that you can solve. And finally, if we add 10,
Yes.
then
It becomes
Lakshman's
24.
age- Yes.
So that way also we can make it out, because
Some simple algebraic.
yeah, simple algebra would be needed over there for this regard. If you just hear the YouTube, you cannot understand it unless until I analyze it, the solution, the way A plus B is 42. At that instance, when you get 1 to 42, because the reason they said is the twice to the age of it. So
So
if you add the
imagine
24, Yeah.
Lakshman's age is X.
yes,
Ram's age is X square because it is twice.
double it is.
Double. Sorry, 2X.
Yes, 2x, not x squared, 2x.
Yes,
So in that way also, we
plus
can.
2X is equal to 42. So like
Yes.
that you can solve.
So in that also that you can solve it, but this cannot be known by merely the listening it unless until that you know the solution of it. Yes. Number 6th question. A number when added to itself 11 times becomes 209. I repeat. A
Oh, sir.
number when added to itself 11 times becomes 209. The
19,
number
sir.
is, yes,
19, sir.
19. Yes, I appreciate. So how could you make it out? Solution. See the white, 11 into 99. So it automatically becomes 209. The answer is option 4, because that is 11 times you can make it out to the 19, then it becomes 209. So that is the way that you can make it out. Yes.
Otherwise, we can do 209 divided by 11 also, sir.
You can
Then
do
we will
it that way also.
Yes.
See, there is no hard and fast rule. Either you can go by this way or you can go this way. But only the result is you should come 19.
One's
That is-
own logic. One's
Yes,
own
you
logic.
can follow it by any other means. You can develop your own technique and you can follow it. What is there added to itself 11 times to becomes 209. Then you can go in that line also.
X plus 11 is equal to 209. X is equal to 209 by 11.
Because that is by division only. There is nothing but the division. Okay. Okay. Now let us come to the 7th point. Mohan correctly remembers that his father's birthday is before 20th January. But after the 16th January, whereas his sister correctly remembers. So the sister remembers 16th January and the brother Mohan remembers 20th January. That their father's birthday is after 18th January. So, but before 23rd January. So both are having different opinion regarding the birthday of their father. So Mohan, his contention is before 20th January, but after the 16th January. Means it is between the 16 to 20. It is between the 16 to 20 is the Mohan. Yeah. And the sister is, she says 18 to 23. So actual age is 18th, 19th or 20 are missing data.
It's
Just
19, sir.
it's the 19. You can say what is the common factor? See the solution. You see the common factor here. According to Mohan, either 16th after means 17th, 18th or 19th below the, because they say below the 20. Is it not? Below 20 they say. So 17th, 18th, 19th the probability. Then sister is 19, 20, 21, 22. Which is the common factor?
19.
19th. So from 1 and 2, if you do the logical deduction, the common one is 19th. The right option is automatically 2. That is the 19th is the common among the 2. Yes, that is the 2 is the 19th answer. This is the feedback. You have to know it. By that way, we can solve the problem. Yes. The 8th question. A is the brother of B. See, write down. A is the brother of B. C is the brother of A. To establish a relationship between B and C, which of the following information is required? Either 1, sex of C should be needed. Number 2, sex of B should be needed. Otherwise, we cannot know. Because when you say brother means other person also either male or female, doesn't matter. Are you following me? Yes. Which one is required? Number 1 is required sex of C, or number 2 is required for the sex of B. Which is required over there? But something should be required, is it not? Otherwise, you could not know that what is the relationship between the two. Yes, right answer is
2, sir. 2, sir.
2. Only 2 is required. If 2 is required, we can know it, what exactly the thing is there. Let us see the feedback and explanation. When first statement clearly says, what it says, A is a male, hence brother of B. Because when you say brother of B, naturally B, we don't know which sex is, whether the B is a female or male. Otherwise, we don't know what is what. That's why they say sex B should be required. And C clearly shows that he is a male. And brother to C, yes. It is very much clear that A and C are both male. But no necessity to know the sex of them. Only sex B is not known. And hence it is required. So the correct option is 2. Only 2 is required. So that is the thing. Sir, నేను యూట్యూబ్ వింటాను సార్ మీ క్లాస్ది. నేను అర్థమైతే సార్ ఇది అర్థం చేసుకోండి చూద్దాం. Unless until you do the practically and you need the explanation, you need the analysis. And if I give the answer merely the 2 is required, you cannot do it unless until that there is analysis should be there where you can make it out clearly, then only could understand it. Yes. Now let us come to the 9th. Pointing towards a photograph, Smita says. See, pointing towards a photograph, Smita says, this man's son's sister is my mother-in-law. Lady said, the father of his brother is the only son of my mother. And how is the woman's husband related to the man in the photograph? So unless until you take the pencil or pen or paper, then only that you can make it out. Pointing towards a photograph, Smita says, this man's son's means photograph is the male or female? Yes? Male, that is, this man's is saying, this man's son's sister. Son's sister is my mother-in-law. కాబట్టి ఈ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ చూసుకున్నానికి యాక్చువల్ ఆన్సర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గ్రాండ్ సన్ అవుతాడు. లెట్ us see how the grandson has come. ఫ్యామిలీ ట్రీ చూద్దాం ఇందులో. Is it visible to you? Because the color is changed. The color is changed. I don't know whether I can make it dark or not. No, I cannot make it out. A symbol in diagrams, meaning one is 0 is female, male is, what is the symbol? Male symbol? Yes, anyone?
Square.
I appreciate square. Then married couple, like is equal to, we can say, and sibling like hyphen or dash, and difference of generation is a vertical line. So possible family tree here, man, and is showing to it, then man again showing his son, because they say no, the photograph man, the man's son's sister. So here it is showing the man's son's sister, means here man's son's mother-in-law, sister there is. Then from down you can go to the husband, then you can go to the Sunita, that is the Smita. So that is the, you have to take the Smita, Smita. The word name is Smita. So you have to take the pen and pencil to make it out, show to whom it has gone and who to who is there. Then it is say that the answer is grandson. So you have to go to the tree, you have to find it out. The woman's husband is the grandson. The woman's husband is the grandson of man in the photograph. Hence, the correct answer is grandson. So, this is the logic when you have to follow it.
My advice is it's better to write son. Son's sister is actually daughter.
Yes.
And then her husband she can write. Her husband is son of that daughter.
Okay.
Automatically she is her mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law. It automatically it becomes mother-in-law. Yeah. So that will be the another method to make it out. But anyway, just to write the pen and pencil, paper, then you have to draw first what they are saying to whom they are saying, with what they are making over there. From there you have to come to the point. Then we have to see the relationship between the two. So this is the way that you have to make it, because only the 2 questions are given in that way, or 3. I don't think that more than 2 will be given in from the relationship, blood relationship. Of course, I have not taken the easy thing. I have taken a little complicated, because easy, when you do the complicated, the easy thing, you can do it without any difficulty. Yes, let us see the another. Select a suitable image from the answer. Image that would replace the question mark. See, you observe the image. I think image is visible to you. Here I magnify it. Yes, now is it visible? Say visible or not visible?
Yes, sir, it's
Yes,
visible.
it's clear.
Why you are not giving the answer? You have to give the answer. You see, the problem figure is left hand side. See the signs and symbol, how arrow mark up, then vertical, then it is reversed, then it becomes down. So here zigzag type is there, seesaw type is there, rampamu tirigunadika, rampamu dantamu tiriga. That again the question mark. Here answer figures. Which will fix over there here?
C.
A, B, C. See correctly. See, one is reversed, topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy ante telusu kada, upside and down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
See, sir.
మంచిగా చదవండి, మంచిగా చూడండి మళ్ళీ.
ఆప్షన్ బి సార్.
ఇంకా చూడాలా, టాప్సీ-టర్వీ ఎట్లా వస్తుంది?
బి సార్. బి సార్.
Option D.
Option, see the answer, the image gets vertically inverted. So, if you happen to see clearly in opposite side, it is A.
Okay.
It is A. Topsy-turvy, you can make it out. See, here, see the arrow marks here, first one, second one. Arrow marks, how it can be made. Is it reversed? Is it the same direction? So, that way that you have to make it out, then only your answer would be the right. So, here they say the feedback explains the image gets vertically inverted. See, vertically inverted here. So, if you make the image vertically inverted, then the answer is A, but not B or C or D. So, that was the thing. Okay, let us come to the 11. Select a suitable figure from the answer figure that would replace the question mark 1. See, here you say, check it again. How the first figure and second figure, from which will fit over there in the question mark. See, this is a 0, 0, left hand side is there. And this like angle is right hand is there. When you see the second figure, the 0 figure only once it is made and came to the left down. And this right, it went to up, but double is added over there. Then if you see the C, so the third one, the square is doubled. And when you make it turn out, so now the square should be only 1. The square should be 1, but the C should be doubled.
See, yes, sir.
Option B, sir.
See, the square would be only 1 to the right.
Option B
Yes,
is the
sir.
correct. B is the correct answer.
Huh?
A.
Option B is the correct
Option
answer.
B.
Option
Okay,
B is the-
again, no, you check again. See, here square is 2 times in the third. But if you see
Yes,
the
sir, it's B,
analogy,
sir.
ring is only 1 time here. There in the A, in the first one, there 2 times they were there. Then if you just closely watch it, C should be double and square should be single. And the square should be left hand up, and the circle double should be right hand down. So if you happen to see A, B, C, D, which one is the correct one?
Option
Right
A.
hand side down, C double. Right hand side down, C double.
It's B, sir. It's
B
sir.
answer. It's a doubled because C is doubled over there in the down, and where the square is only single over there in the up. If you see the analogy of the first one, so the right answer is B. Each one of the upper element is replaced by an element similar to the lower elements, and each one of the lower element is replaced by the element similar to the upper elements. So that is the only the analogy that is followed over there in the non-verbal. So it will not come merely looking at the,
lower,
yes.
lower to the up to the down, sir. Simple.
Yes, it's nothing but see, if you see the first 1, 2, how 1, 2? 0
And
double is left
that
hand
is
side up.
doubled.
And here the angle type is, that is a single down. When you go to the second one, this 0 means O went to the up. The second one, the O came to the down, and this doubled, it is 2 times. If you enlarge it, automatically you will get the answer for that one. So now the 5 minutes are left over there. Only 5 minutes are left over there. I would like to see the how many I can cover. If asterisk stands for addition, and virgule stands for subtraction, and plus stands for multiplication, and hyphen stands for division. This is very technical. Then 20, that is asterisk 8 by 8 minus 4 plus 2 is equal to how much? It is not so easy to make it out. First you have to take the pen and paper. Then asterisk stands for addition. Then virgule stands for subtraction. So that you could understand that what actually. And the plus stands for what? So here if you could do all this exercise, then the answer is 24. Sir, how it comes, sir? See, analogy, if you see the analogy, it will understand it. Using the correct symbol, we have given the expression 20 plus 8. Here, 20 plus 8 means asterisk is, I say, addition. Asterisk is addition. So 20 plus 8, then minus 8, then virgule. See here, virgule stand for subtraction, means minus. So 8 by 4, then again asterisk, then it is going to 20 plus 8 plus minus 2, then asterisk 2, then it becomes 20 plus 8 minus 4 is equal to 24. సార్ ఏదో మీరు చెప్పుకుంటా పోయాను సార్, మేము విన్నాం సార్, ఇంతే సంగతులు సార్. You try once again because it is there on the screen and you can note down and you can stop it, pause it also when you are looking to when you are watching the YouTube. You can pause it, then keep it, then write the things which are given exactly the impression, then you can do it. So that is only the way you can make it out. Otherwise, you cannot learn this mental ability without your sharp brain. Your brain should be two sides sharp. If not, you cannot do it. Of course, we can run our brain in different ways. How it has come over there? Like in certain code, fire is coded as DGPC. What will be the last letter of the coded word for the shot? See, fire can be coded as DGPC. Then, what will be the last letter of the coded word of the shot? How the shot can be written? Last word. Last letter of the coded word. See, he is asking last letter of the coded word. ఫైర్ లైట్ వచ్చేదండి, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఎఫ్ ABCDEF. ఈ ఎఫ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఒకటి మైనస్ చేసిండు, అంటే డి వచ్చింది. అంటే ABCDEF అంటే డి వచ్చింటే 2 మైనస్ చేసిండు. ఇక్కడ ఐలో చూడండి 2 మైనస్ చేసిండు, GHI 2 మైనస్ అయినాయి ఇక్కడ, అంటే G వచ్చింది అక్కడ. ఆర్ లో చూడండి PQR 2 మైనస్ చేసిండు, ఇక్కడ P వచ్చింది అక్కడ. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈలో ABCDE అంటే 2 మేనేజ్ చేసిండు, అంటే ప్రతి దాంట్లో 2 మేనేజ్ చేయండి. ఇందులో లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్కి రావాలా. టీది ఏమవుతుందండి, 2 మేనేజ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? అయ్యో UST, అది యూ లేదు కాదు సార్ అక్కడ అంటారు. PQRST ఆర్ లేదండి, RST కదా లాస్ట్ వర్డ్. ఆర్ అండి. ఇవన్నీ మీరు మేనేజ్ చేయకండి, లాస్ట్ లెటర్ ది మేనేజ్ చేయండి, టీని. ఆర్ అవుతుంది ఆన్సర్, అంతే లాజిక్ అదే. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, డి ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ఎఫ్, జి ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ఐ, పి ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ఆర్ అండ్ సి ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ఈ. Thus it is clear that each letter of the word fire stands for the corresponding letter of the coded DGPC 2 places ahead. By applying the same principle, letter QMR, then R stand the short front, hence the last letter of the coded word R automatically అయిపోతుంది. ఎందుకంటే అది T ఉన్నది కాబట్టి 2 లెటర్లు తక్కువ చేయండి, ఆటోమేటికల్ R అయిపోతుంది దాని ఆన్సర్. ఇజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఏమో సార్ మీరు చెప్పారు, మేము ఏంది మీరు చెప్పింది నేను విన్నాం ఏంటండి? ఇక్కడ లాజిక్ యూజ్ చేయండి.